Thank you for staying with us. You're watching the first match in the quarterfinals of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2019. And the scores are George Headley Primary on 16 and Mona Preparatory on 27. It's now time for the final challenge, where questions are thrown open to both teams. First one pressing the buzzer earns the right to answer after the school has been identified. They will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. Teams, good luck to you both, and we start off with international affairs. It's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person. George Headley.
Benjamin Netanyahu. Benjamin Netanyahu.
Prime Minister of Israel, correct. Sports. What was the simple but famous name for the footballer born Edson Arantes do... That's Mona.
Pele.
Nascimento, that is correct. Bible knowledge. The Princess Asenath was married to which Bible patriarch in Egypt? Mona?
Joseph.
Correct. Science. Complete this statement correctly. The factories in which food is made for plants are... George Headley.
The leaf.
Correct. English language. By using the word bite, give an idiom which means to get something over with because it is inevitable. Mona?
To bite the bullet.
Correct. Music. Which female recorded the song Don't Call Me Angel? Mona?
Ariana Grande.
Incorrect. It's Miley Cyrus. General knowledge. Specifically, what is the name of the national bird of the United States of America? George Headley?
The bald eagle.
Correct. Theatre. This is a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this local actress. That's Ruth Hoshing. Mathematics. A boy scored 18 out of 40 on his math test. What was his percentage? Mona?
45%.
His percentage score, that's correct. Social studies. In which climatic zone is the Taiga Forest region located? Mona?
Tropical zone.
Incorrect, it's the polar or frigid zone. Television. Henry Cavill, Tom Welling, and Christopher Reeve have all played the role of which? Mona?
Superman.
Superhero, that's correct. Look at the monitor, schools, for sports, it's a visual, and identify this person. Alzari Joseph, West Indies cricketer. Bible knowledge. Which woman was also known as Hadassah? George Headley?
Esther.
Correct. Science. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around which type? Mona?
Wedge.
Wrapped around which type of geometric solid? Cylinder is the answer, so that's incorrect. English language. By using the word goose, give an English proverb which means to destroy something. That's George Headley.
To go on a wild goose chase.
To destroy something which makes a lot of money for you. That's to kill the goose that lays the golden egg, so that's incorrect. Music. Which artiste recorded and released the single All of Me in George Headley?
John Legend.
In 2013, that's correct. General knowledge. What is the capital of Seychelles? Mona?
Freetown.
Incorrect, it's Victoria. International affairs. Bolivia's president, Evo Morales, fled to which country? Mona?
Mexico.
That is correct. Mathematics. Giving your answer as a fraction reduced to its lowest term. What is 3/8 plus 1/12? Mona?
11/24.
That's correct. And the bell ends this match with George Headley on 24 and Mona on 33. So we say congratulations to Mona Prep and a well-fought match by George Headley. We go for a final break, and when we come back, we wrap things up. Please stay with us.